Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're gonna make an origami crane. You're gonna need a square sheet of paper, and I recommend this to beginners, and it's really easy. First, you're gonna fold it in half, diagonally. Now you're gonna fold this to the crease you just made. Turn it. Do the same on the other side. Now you're going to do the same thing on these both sides. Fold it to the center. Now you're going to fold this in half. And you're going to fold this down on this part here. Now you're gonna fold it in half. Here. And then you're gonna pull the neck up about this much. And then you're gonna fold the head out. And then you're done with your origami crane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.